Hello, everyone, and welcome to Neat Mentor. This is an important update. The center has decided not to implement the reservation from the current ongoing session for EWS. Okay, so this is an cutting from Live Law, um, a media agency which gives all the news related to Supreme Court case and where the government is involved. So you can see here in the case related to NEET PG counseling, the central government told the Supreme Court that it has decided to retain the existing criteria for economical weaker section reservation in all India quota. Okay, all India quota counseling on the basis of recommendations made by the expert committee. Okay, there are few regions and genuine regions, uh, because if they change the EWS criteria now, that will lead into many complications, as they say, and the committee has recommended that introduction of revised EWS criteria should be applicable from next academic year. That's what I have been telling you since beginning, that reservation is not very simple. There will be many if and buts and many dependencies. So one issue is sorted out, some other issue will be arising at Supreme Court level, High Court level. So the same thing is happening. Under these circumstances, it is completely unadvisable. This is the exact statement from the committee, and impractical to apply the new criteria which are being recommended in this report and change the goalpost in the midst of ongoing process, resulting in inevitable delay. So there might be further delay. We already experienced a delay of uh, more than 2 months. So there might be further delay because they are expecting some other court case due in High Court or Supreme Court due to any other matter related to reservation. So finally, they had to expedite the process of counseling after the protest conducted by FODA and resident doctors. So they had no other way, and due to the rise in the COVID third wave cases in India and worldwide, they had no other reason to expedite the process, so that in the time they could get all the doctors who were waiting for the admission through the counseling. Otherwise there will be been shortage of doctors, which is the main thing. Okay, so when the existing system is ongoing from 2019, no serious prejudice would be caused if it continues for this year as well. Exactly, changing the criteria midway is also bound to result in spate of litigation in various courts across the country by the people and persons whose eligibility would change suddenly. Definitely, those who didn't consider EWS or OBC at the time of filling the form, if they come under that criteria and they fail to get advantage, definitely it will be not acceptable by them. So the committee, therefore, after analyzing the pros and cons of the issue and after giving serious consideration, recommends that the existing and ongoing criteria in every ongoing process where EWS reservation is available will be continued. So EWS reservation will be continued in states and there won't be any change. This change was only for all India quota. Implementation of EWS in all India quota, that should be very clear. EWS will still be applicable in states and there won't be any changes in that. The criteria recommends in this report may be made applicable from the next admission cycle as per the committee. So that's an update, and it's good news for some of the candidates and bad news for some of the candidates. Those candidates who come under EWS, if they're waiting for the reservation to implement, it's bad news for them because they won't get benefited. But it's very good news for general category candidates because they were going to get impacted very badly, since the number of seats would reduce and the cutoff would go high. So they have made it clear, and is indication that anything that is coming in the path as a barrier for them, for the Supreme Court to give direction and government of India to start the counseling as soon as possible. They are trying to clear out beforehand, so that when the hearing happens on 6th of Jan, they should clearly declare the counseling to proceed, and government of India would post the schedule. So you have to tighten your belt, you have to make the decision quickly, and because most of the government registration which has not started, they will be starting in very quick manner, okay, and all India quota also, because they don't have got much time. They need to complete the admission process, counseling process for all 4 rounds as soon as possible. So you can expect multiple registration on the same day, and multiple registration applicable for you, which you need to do on the same day. So there is no holidays, there is no vacation. You need to focus. It's not very complex process also, but if you don't understand, you you can make many mistakes, okay. So at this point you should be very clear. If you have any doubt, you can discuss with the counselors. There are many counselors, and NEET Mentor is one of them, so you can discuss with us also, or whomever you trust. Now coming to OBC reservation, they haven't mentioned anything related to OBC reservation. Since the matter was in Supreme Court due to EWC reservation criteria, so there is nowhere OBC reservation word in the news, okay. But time will only tell whether OBC will get implemented or not, okay. So if you want to avail our paid counseling guidance, we are available. We have expanded our team size, and we are able to accept your request for paid counseling guidance for anything related to NEET PG 2021, okay. So you can also avail that service. For that you need to call on the number 9319128677, okay. So I will keep you updated if any important update comes. Until then, goodbye and take care.